Now that you've signed up for a free 14-day trial of Shopify, you can start configuring your site. But before you do that, you have to set up your own account info so Shopify knows who you are, where the store is located, and what you're planning to do with the online store. If you clicked on the Take Me to My Store button in the previous movie, you will see this page. This is the account setup page. If you didn't click that button, you can click it now. If you accidentally closed all your windows or closed your browser, all you have to do is go back to your email and find the email you got from Shopify when you signed up and click on the Store Admin Panel link. This will take you right back to this account setup page. Here we put in the name of the person who's going to be managing the store, most likely you. You also put in the physical address of the store itself, and this will affect how shipping and taxes are handled, and some other information. So let's just start at the top. I'm going to put in the name. So the person who's managing this, his name is Juan Ricardo Estes. The address for the store is 123 No Obstacles Road. It is in Chicago. Postal code is 60661, United States. And this would be in Illinois. I can also provide a phone number if I like. So let's say I'm just going to make a simple one. Next, you have to answer why you want to set up your site, or rather you have to answer the question, do you have products? This is because a lot of people who set up Shopify sites are actually just testing out Shopify to see how it works before they do anything. And based on what you want to do with your site, the interaction you have with the Shopify team will be different, and they also want to run stats on why you are setting up a site to begin with. By default, it's set to I'm just playing around, meaning you just want to experiment. But you can also drop it down and get some other options. I haven't yet started selling products. I'm already selling, just not online. I am already selling online using a different system. Or I am setting up a store for someone else. For the example project that we're going to be working on, I'm going to say I'm already selling, just not online. And then I have to use the drop down here to pick what kind of products I want to sell. These would be either physical products, dropship products, digital products, services, or I don't have products yet. I'm going to sell physical products, so that's what I'll select. Now you have all the information you need, but before you click I'm done, I want you to go read Shopify's terms of service. And I know when you sign up for online services, you tend to see these large legalistic pages that have lots of information, and you scroll through them and you go, yeah, I don't really need to read this. But it's important that you read them so you understand what you're signing up for. What's cool is Shopify has set up their page in such a way that it's easy to understand what they're saying. When you start reading this page, you'll see that on the left, you have the legalese. So this is the legal technical terms. And then on the right, they have explanations of what these things mean. So you see here on the left, you have the account terms. And here on the right, it says which means. And then you have a proper normal language explanation of each of these things. So read through it. Make sure you understand what you're signing up for, and then when you are satisfied, go back to the page and click I'm done. This will create your full account on Shopify, and you're taken directly to the Shopify dashboard. This is where you'll be doing all the work in Shopify. This is also where you can add to or change the information you entered in the account setup process. We'll get to that later in the course, but now, with your account set up, we are ready to go.